Good afternoon everyone, today we're looking at another diesel watch review. So yeah, before we actually move on to that though, let's have a look at the actual box. So as you can see from the box, I've got my gloves off for this because I once had some issues obviously taking this cardboard lid off with my glossy gloves on, so I'm just going to leave those off for now. You can have a look at my nice clammy hands instead. Yes, so obviously we've got this standard red outside packaging here with the actual box inside. A nice thick diesel logo imprinted in the side, well, embossed in the side, and we've got a simple lift off lid style box to this. Almost looks like a shipping crate with those breathing holes as well, giving off that effect as we go around the box as well. So let's have a look inside at the actual watch. Once I've got my gloves on, there we go. Got this nice cardboard sock in here, nice and secure. I don't like the ones when they put in the cardboard sock that's only half finished. And obviously we've got our manuals in here, nice and secured. Well designed inside box here. Lots of stuff going on. Don't like it when they put cellophane inside things, especially for watch reviews. Let's remove this bit of plastic so we can have a look in more detail. There we go. So this is the DEISEL Cliffhanger Accurist D21998. Just a little bit about the watch. We've got a 36mm case diameter with a 9mm case thickness, so it's not a very thick watch, but it doesn't look it slightly. It's only just under a centimetre. I'd say under a centimetre is classed as a thinner watch. Retails at £150, and it's only a light watch. Probably weighs about 100 grams, 70 grams roughly. Let's have a look at the face in a bit more detail. So looking at the face, we've got a sort of a sunray style, Accurist style dial here. As you can see, the light is catching it and reflecting around the face. We've got non-luminous increments, but with luminous hand tips here, with a nice black seconds hand here, just to add a bit of contrast to the watch. Just notice something, that it doesn't line up with the increments exactly. If you watch that come around to the 10 seconds, you might see that it bounces in between it. As you can see, you just saw from there. We've got no date dial to this, but no matter, it's still a nice classy watch. We've got this black panel going down here, just to add a bit of colour to the watch and a bit of design to go with that black seconds hand. This watch is waterproof to 5 atmospheres. Look at the face here. We've obviously got we've got like a 12-hour clock in a reverse increment style. So instead of having it on the edges of the face, you have it inside and have the dashes on the outside, so they sort of swap them round. So you've got that 12-hour clock inside the face here. Looking at the casing, we've got obviously a square tonneau / shape with a matte line stainless steel finish going all the way around the side here. Line finish going all the way around. Come around to the crown, we've got a matte stainless steel finish to that crown there. Let's have a look at the movement, see how good it is. A nice firm clicking mechanism to that, but then it's often not a difficult thing to get right when you haven't got a day dial, because you haven't got two sort of positions of the crown. A decent movement to the movement of this crown. Hands don't go flying around the face, and there's a little bit of resistance to when you're moving it around, which is what you should feel from a quality watch. And a nice firm clicking down mechanism with a good spring and a good sound effect to it. So coming down to the band, we've got a leather band that's 28mm in size, but do not let that fool you. You'll need a smaller. I haven't checked the lug width of inside gap here, but the strap itself is a 28mm band. It's not much smaller than the actual face. Sorry, not much smaller. Not much smaller than the actual face. Looking at the back, you've obviously got a sort of a bent inside bracelet holder system with a easy access double-ended popper pin system in here. So you just need to pop your little tweezers in these gaps and they'll snap off. Genuine leather, as you can imagine from this. Looking at the back casing, we've got a diesel printed back plate with obviously all our quotas on the back. A strap line as well. Looking at the leather here, just a simple, standard, nice quality leather with a single window system. Thin window system as well to allow for plenty of adjustment when you have it on the wrist. Some leather straps have square gaps and they're a bit more spaced apart. So there we go guys, that is the DEISEL Cliffhanger Aqua watch.